Good morning, dear students. I'm your English teacher, and today we are going to start another poem, that is Dear March, Come In. So, March is the time of spring, and it ushers or it brings in new breath of fresh air, and there is a lot of color everywhere. And the winter has just passed, and it is the time when the winter has just passed and the summer is approaching. So this time it is neither very cold nor very hot, and new flowers have come up. The whole ambience is very nice and beautiful. So here in this poem, Dear March Come In, the poet, she talks about how beautiful the March is. So here the poetess Emily Dickinson welcomes spring. So let me do a model reading first. Dear March, come in, how glad I am. I looked for you before. Put down your hat, you must have walked. How out of breath you are. Dear March, how are you? And the rest? Did you leave nature well? Oh, March, come right upstairs with me. I have so much to tell. I got your letter and the birds. The maples never knew that where you were coming, I declare how red their faces grew. But March, forgive me and all those hills who left for me to hew. There was no purple suitable, you took it all with you. Who knocks that April? Lock the door. I will not be pursued. He stayed away a year to call when I am occupied. But trifles look so trivial as soon as you have come, that blame is just as dear as praise, and praise is mere as blame. Written by Emily Dickinson. So in this poem, as you can see, the poet is welcoming the spring season, March season, and she is telling that how glad. Dear March means she is addressing March as a person, she is personifying March as a person, and she is telling that how glad, I am so happy. So this poem, if you can see, it portrays a dialogue, almost kind of a dialogue, as if she is talking to someone. So it is kind of a dialogue over here, and she is telling that how glad I am, how happy I am, and here she is talking to March as if it is a person. This poem, if you can see, it is a very light-hearted, light-spirited and a humorous kind of a poem, and you can just simply enjoy the humor and the casual cheerfulness of the poem. And this poem, how does it open? It opens with an invitation, that she's inviting March, the spring, the season, to come in, to come inside, and she says, as if the spring, the March is standing near the door, and she's telling that you can come inside, you can enter my house. As she personifies, the poet here also personifies the March, and she's telling that you can come in and you can sit here, you can just be there, and tell the March to put his hat down. As if again, who wears a hat? The person. So she's telling that you can put your hat down, you can, because you've taken a lot of trouble to walk so much of a distance, and you look very, very breathless. So you can just stand, or you can be here. And she's asking, how are you? And the rest means the other, everybody else. How is the ambience? How is the nature? So she's telling that this hat, as if a person is wearing a hat. So she's telling, and she's imagined hat March as a person, and she's telling, put down your hat and because you have come after a long walk, after walking, so you must be out of breath. So she has assumed, it comes in, it can be assumed that the arrival of March, that means winter must have left. Only then will March come, only then will the winter has. Did you leave nature well? Means the March has started and the winter has already ended. And she is assumed that on the arrival of the March, she wants the, and she is telling that you just come with me upstairs. I want to sit and have a nice chat with you. I have so much to tell. I want to tell you something. So she is talking to March like a person. She is personifying March as a person. And she is telling that she is very very happy. She wants to ask March to rest for a while, because March is out of breath, because it has had a long journey, because it has come after 1 year, right? And now the winter has ended and she wants it to rest, and she is asking about the nature, what has nature, and she is also inviting March to come upstairs with him, with the poetess, so she can talk and she can tell so many stories that she had with her. More in the next video. Thank you.